Hollow glass microspheres, acrylic-coated polyurethane, polarized liquid crystals. Science is just science. Until you apply it to something. Make it do something. Change something. 3M knows this well. Science is how the magic happens. Except it's not magic. It's the right science applied the right way. With technology, products, and innovations that make life easier, better, and more complete for people around the world. 3M science is applied to being healthier, safer, lighter, quicker, smarter, more secure, more streamlined, more efficient. That's 3M science applied to life.